Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin with essentials. Ensure your iPhone runs a supported iOS and you have enough storage. Once done, sign in to the VPN app using your account credentials. Make sure two-factor authentication is ready if required. Next, grant the app permission to add VPN configurations when prompted so iOS can manage connections. You're starting inside the VPN client now, not settings. This is where you pick a server region, so open the server list and prepare to select a location. You're now choosing the exact location. Once you see the server list, sort by latency or country to find the fastest option. Tap the city or country to view protocol choices. Pick WireGuard or OpenVPN for speed and security, unless an app recommends ICAV2. Make sure the kill switch and DNS leak protection are enabled, and configure split tunneling if you only want some apps routed through the VPN. After adjusting, save the profile so iOS will remember these preferences. Tap Connect and wait for the status indicator to show connected. You should also see the VPN icon in the status bar. To verify the new location, open a browser and check your IP or use a geolocation app. Make sure sites reflect the chosen country. If it fails, try toggling airplane mode briefly, restart the VPN app, or switch protocol and server. These steps fix most problems. If persistent, sign out and back in, or reinstall the app to refresh credentials and configure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.